Keep on motoring, guys. Break 28.55, the select 10 p.m. bird. Dice roll going 8 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 here, 8 here. Bears up top, Jags at the bottom. 8 times now. On your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 here, 8 here. Sammy B up top, J right at the bottom. I know Sammy. Sammy does love those Bears. Let's sort them out. There we go, boys. Good luck. The reflection of the door made it look like I had a blonde ponytail. It was glorious, bro. How do you know I don't have a blonde ponytail? Joe? I just might.
Nah. I'd slow you down, man. Wouldn't be as fast.
I'm too fat. It doesn't even matter, man. I'm too fast. The ponytail can't slow me down.
You wouldn't be as fast, that's for sure.
Right, he said, no way I got the Colts. It's destiny.
Mac Jones. Damian Pierce on the silver phenomenon. A.J. Terrell, infield level of Stafford. Trent McDuffie. Ojabo, Fields. Kyler. And Derrick Henry. Orlando Brown, Josh Jacobs on the tricolor to 149.
The Raiders.
Deshaun Watson and Amari Cooper.
Where he says, oh, look, I have the Panthers now. We can hit another one, Woody.
That was a different box.
Don't say we can't.
Brees Hall. Olave. Prescott. Neon icons of Sauce. Into 75. Sauce Gardner on the RPA. Nice hit, Sammy.
Everyone needs a little sauce.
Cam Jurgens, Matt Judon, the GOAT.
I told you, every time you see Cam Jurgens, man, there's a hater.
Field level tie-dye of Herbie to 25 B10. 24.
There you go, Joe.
Out of 25.
That's a monster.
There we go, JF. Cooper Cup and a filler. Gabe Davis, Jack Jones, snapshot of Christian Kirk, silver of Eckler, and Micah. Ain't no doubt, Woody, ain't no doubt. Devin Lloyd, Jair Alexander, J Turbo, Bernard, and blue of Derek Forrest Jr.
That's Dicker's quarterback, isn't it?
Yeah.
He's got the Chargers. You got to hit him a Dicker here.
That's no problem.
Hit Joe Feliciano a Cameron Dicker.
Haskins, Parham, tricolor 199 of Juju. Bush. Chig. Slay Jr. Waddle. Snap silver of Jamar Chase. Kyle Phillips. 101 kicker. He'll fly out to get it. Davis Mills, Amon-Ra, Sensations of Watson. He's flying to get the Dicker if he hits the 101. Waller and Andrews. Tyler Lockett. Ingram and Joko. Kenny Pickett. Base blue of Zamir White to 149. Last pack. Magic. Prescott, Carr, Johnson. Debo to 99 on the silver swatch. Let's recap it. No kicker, the Dicker. Kenny Pickett base. Jamar Chase field level silver. Juju, Sauce, Olave, Brees Hall, Jacobs, and Pierce. Debo. White, Forrest Jr., tie-dye of J Turbo to 25, and everybody needs a little sauce. That's the break, guys. Thanks for the fill.